Hello everyone and welcome to Quest for Quiz, the qualifying round for TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Eber Kindergarten and Prep from St. James up against Richmond Park Prep from St. Andrew. I'm your host Kadeen Foote and the action begins right now. Earlier we had the toss and Eber Kindergarten and Prep won and decided to go first. So we'll begin with Eber Kindergarten and Prep. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Teams will have 10 seconds to answer. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's have 4 minutes on the clock and we begin with Bible knowledge. Eber, what was the name of Jacob's first son?
Jacob's first son. Simeon.
Incorrect, it's Reuben. Richmond Park, what was the name of Jacob's youngest son?
Benjamin.
Correct. Science, Eber, what natural disaster occurs when parts of the Earth's crust move?
Earthquakes.
Correct. Richmond Park, what natural disaster occurs when lava flows out of the Earth?
Volcano eruption.
Okay, that's correct, but guys, you don't need to shout. Jamaican affairs, Eber, who is Jamaica's Minister of Finance and Public Service?
Nigel Clark.
Correct. Richmond Park, who is Jamaica's Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sports?
Olivia Babsy Grange.
Correct. English language, Eber, complete the proverb. Haste makes...
Waves.
Correct. Richmond Park, complete the proverb. A cat may look...
Strange.
Incorrect, it's at a king. Television, Eber, which program is hosted by Oral Tracy in TVJ's primetime news hour?
Sports commentary.
Correct. Richmond Park, on which day is the Bite of the Week aired in TVJ's primetime news?
Wednesday.
Incorrect, it's Fridays. General knowledge, Eber, which country is located north of the United States of America?
Canada.
Correct. Richmond Park, which country is directly 90 miles south of Cuba?
Jamaica.
Correct. Social studies, Eber, what name is given to a large body of fresh water surrounded by land?
Lake.
Correct. And Richmond Park, what name is given to a large sheet of salt water which borders a continent?
Ocean.
Correct. Music, Eber, to which family of instruments does the drum belong?
Percussion.
Correct. Richmond Park, to which family of instruments does the piccolo belong?
Percussion.
Woodwind. Correct. Mathematics, Eber, $780 is shared in the ratio 3 to 7. What is the larger portion? This passes to Richmond Park. Would you like to try?
No, thank you.
Okay, it's $546. Still with you, Richmond Park. $840 is shared in the ratio 4 to 6. What is the smaller portion?
$84.
Incorrect, it's $336. Sports, Eber, how long is each half in an international football game if there is no extra time?
45 minutes.
Correct. Richmond Park, how long is each quarter in an official NBA game?
20 minutes.
Incorrect, it's 12 minutes. Jamaican affairs, Eber, how many counties are in Jamaica?
3.
Correct. Richmond Park, which Jamaican county has the smallest number of parishes?
Sorry.
Correct. And that ends our first section with our scores showing Eber Kindergarten and Prep on 9 and Richmond Park Prep on 6. Stay with us. TVJ's Quest for Quiz returns after these messages.